Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with motions, problem on distance and average speed, part 10. Here is a 10th question. A truck travels with a speed of 40 km per hour for 30 minutes. There is a truck and it is traveling at the speed of 40 km per hour for 30 minutes. Right? It has traveled certain distance at the speed for 30 minutes. And similarly, again they have reduced the speed and traveling at the speed of 30 km for 1 hour, right? And they are asking calculate the total distance, that is from here to here, complete journey from this point to this point, the complete journey of a truck, as well as the average speed. What was the speed of the vehicle throughout the journey? Average speed, right? I hope the question is clear. So let's enter into the problem. First of all, here let's write down the given data so that it will be clear for us. Here, as they have given two speed values, so let's consider S1 and S2. So S1 is 40 km per hour and S2 is 30 km per hour. Similarly, even they have given two splits of time. So time T1 is equal to 30 minutes. Here the time is given in minutes, but if you see the all other given data, see it is in kilometer per hour, and speed 2 is also in kilometer per hour. Even the time T2 is in hours, so we need to change this 30 minutes into hours. When you change this 30 minutes into hours, you will get 0.5 hours. How do you get this? We all know that whenever you want to convert this minutes into hours, you have to divide it with 60, right? But why? Here is the reason for that. 30 minutes into hours, right? So this minute should be changed into hours. We all know the formula, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, right? And what is the minute? Here we need to change this minute, right? So keep the minute at the same position because we need to change it, right? So keep it at the same point and get the remaining things. What is remaining one? It is 60, right? So keep this minutes at the same time and same side and get the 60 on the either side. When it comes on the either side, what is the sign between the 60 and minutes? Multiplication, right? So multiplication becomes division. That means 1 hour divided by 60 is equal to 1 minute, right? So this is the formula that you need to substitute in place of this minutes. Just remove this minutes and place what is minutes? 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 hour by 60, right? So this 30 minutes, I am just writing this 30 minutes as 30 into 1 minute. For your clear understanding, I am doing it step by step and without skipping a single step, right? So this one I'm writing it as 30 into 1 minute because this minute should be substituted over here. For that purpose, I am writing like this. So what is 1 minute? 1 minute is 1 hour by 60. So 30 into 1 hour by 60. And if you just cancel it, you will get 30 by 60. So when you cancel it, you will get 0.5 hours. So this is how I got 0.5 hours. I hope it's clear. So we got the time in hours and the T2 is 1 hour. So just write down as it is, and they are asking us to calculate the total distance, right? So what is total distance? How to find it out? And even the average speed. First, let's solve this distance because for calculating this average speed, you need distance. So let's calculate the distance first. But here they haven't given any distance, right? But if you have speed and time, you can calculate the distance, right? So total distance is d1 plus d2. So we need to find the distance from this as well as this, right? How to find the distance is, we all know the formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. Do you have the speed value? Yes, it's 40 km per hour. And what is the time? 0.5 hour. So S1 into T1 because we are finding the distance D1. Now just substitute the values over here. So what is S1? 40 kilometer per hour into what is time? 0.5 hours, right? See here children, look here. 1 hour is in denominator and 1 hour is in numerator. So you can just cancel it up. So 40 kilometer into 0.5, it will be 20 kilometer. Now you got the distance, that is 20 kilometer, right? Similarly, let's find out the for D2. For D2, you have to multiply this speed 2 with time 2, right? So what is T2, sorry, S2? It is 30 kilometer per hour into 1 hour. Even here 1 hour in numerator, sorry, denominator, and 1 hour in numerator gets cancelled up. 30 kilometer into 1 becomes 30 kilometer. Now you got D1 value and D2 value. Now you can just substitute in this total distance formula. So by substituting it, you will get 20 kilometer plus 30 kilometer, 50 kilometer. Now we got the total distance. Now we need to find out average speed. How to find out the average speed is, what is the formula of average speed? Total distance covered by total time taken. What is the total distance? It's 50 kilometer. We got it. And what is the time taken? Here they have given two time, that is two cases. First it traveled with 30 minutes and other time it traveled for 1 hour. So you can just add it, right? You can just add it. Time T1 plus T2 is 0.5 hours plus 1 hour. See here, T1 is 0.5 hour and time is T2 is 1 hour. So when you add this both, you will get 1.5 hour. Just substitute it in place of total time taken 1.5 hours. Now if you just divide it, you will get 33.33 kilometer per hour. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for problems on motions.